full effect. 6X local westbound. Engine number 2632. Check him out. Here he goes. Show him some love, baby. There go the lights. The lights and the signals. Of course, they're lights. Yes, sir. Feeling the funk again here in Dayton, Ohio. CSX local style. Westbound, baby. Real friendly vibes. Tuesday Titans in full effect. There it goes. We'll pick it up once again shortly, folks, and let's hear that. Nice horn on 2632. It's Tuesday Titans on the railroad, folks. CSX local. About to cross Paul Lawrence Dunbar Street here in Dayton, Ohio, the Gem City, baby. Let's get him again, baby. Let's get another shot of this horn, 2632. Let's go. Let's bring it. Hear him getting his chug on. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. Here we go.
That's a big engine.
You feel the vibe, baby? That was like a GP38-2. Feeling the funky vibe, here at 5, you're on Real Funny Vibe on YouTube. Alright, let's get him again, folks. Can you dig it? I told you I can dig it, baby. Westbound CSX local. About to do some switching at the Mar Products Company here out in Trotwood, a suburb of Dayton, Ohio. 2632 leading. Short side, crossing Gettysburg Avenue on the old Pennsylvania main line, baby. Check him out. Check the horn out. No horn salute, but it's okay. Yes, sir. Tuesday Titan on the railroad. Real Funny Vibes in full effect. Yes, sir. And we're about to be not in effect because there it goes. And all right, folks. Peace out to the next video.